Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can use the color splash feature on the PicsArt and how it gonna turns your picture to be much more engaging. First, you just need to open the PicsArt application, and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to edit. And now let's just take a look at this bottom feature. Go click effects. In this effects, you just need to tap into the color sections. And these color sections, that could be like a lot of filters that you can apply into the picture. Now you just need to tap into this color splash. The next, you just need to isolate which color or which area that you want to keep the colors on the picture. I could say I would like to keep this, so whenever you do that, only those color and the tone that similar to those color could be kept, and for the rest color it could be turned to gray. Now tap to apply, and then you just need to download it to get this picture into your photo library. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.